Okay, so Toyota Veloz after 6 months, I just wanted to share with you guys today. This is gonna be a very quick video or update to you guys. Actually, we have a lot of videos already. I have created a lot of videos for you guys with regards to my ownership experience about this amazing car. You can go ahead and check it out. It's all there in the playlist in our channel. But today, we're actually scheduled for our, I think it's the second preventive maintenance schedule. Okay, maintenance schedule para dito kay Toyota Veloz after 6 months. And then I just wanted to give you an update. How has it been? Did my views change? Did it get any better or did it get worse? Meron bang mga nagbago sa ating mga experiences dito kay Toyota Veloz? And by the end of the video, we'll be talking about how's the mileage, how's my fuel consumption, how much was the distance traveled, and how much did I pay for today's maintenance schedule. So I am ready. If you guys are ready, let's fasten our seat belts and let's enjoy this ride. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. So now we're out here on our Philippine roads, and the first thing I wanted to talk about right away is with regards to the suspension or the comfort level in terms of the driving experience. So yung issue about matagtag ba talaga ang Toyota Veloz. So far guys, this is really honest, okay? I came from a Toyota Vios, and the difference between the suspension is night and day for me. Some people who have been comparing the Veloz with other 7-seaters, and by the way, we have a comparison about that. People have been comparing the Veloz comfort, the suspension daw is so much better daw with other competitors in the segment. But for me, I'm just really satisfied with the comfort on this one. There are times na we go into harabas mode. Alam mo yun, there are times that you just are not being conservative with bumpy roads, rough roads, mga pangit na daan, malulubak na mga kalsada. There are moments that I drive this car very roughly and I have no complaints. Now with regards to the space, as I mentioned, we bought this car because of the desire to carry more passengers with us. Now that we have that desire to bring our extended family, parents, we have that desire to go out more. That's the essence of life, to enjoy life really. So that is why we asked God for a little bit bigger car. Ayan nga, 7-seater. So far guys, we have brought this out, a couple of trips. And then for the space, it was really good. No complaints, very spacious honestly. And the design of the Veloz just really is very well crafted for families. When it comes to the features, ayan, may dadaanan tayong lubak. May dinaanan tayong hump. So that was really basic honestly. I really love the suspension. I really love the comfort here. Kahit iharabas mo, kahit magmadali ka pa, you're not gonna feel it honestly. So going back to the features guys, that's something that I don't need to pound on this video. I have talked a lot about the features. So guys, during this kind of moments, napaka-importante talaga ng 360 camera. As you can see, sa mga parking na ganito, sobrang handy ng 360 camera. Masisikip na mga parking spaces, ganyan. So really, we're so thankful. Napaka-blessing talaga ng 360 cam. So yeah, so far, yun talaga yung pinaka number one that I love about this car. And the safety as well, Toyota Safety Sense. It's very priceless. 6 airbags, madami pa, speed sensing door locks. Those are the things that I really appreciate about this car so far. So just watch our other videos with regards to the features. So yeah, as of the moment, we're currently turning off the normal mode, and right away you're gonna feel that difference in the rev. Parang nawawala yung limit nung yung RPM. Okay, at least you have that as a driver. Okay, so right now we have 2 trucks. We have turned on the power mode to overtake, and there you go. We have successfully got past that obstacle. So right now we don't need the power mode anymore. I'm gonna be turning it off. Okay, just going back to normal mode. And right now I'm trying to be, you know, doing a little bit of harabas. Okay, there you go. Just really, if you have the skills, you have the control, I believe that any car at the segment 1.5 liter, even with MPVs, is gonna be good enough. And of course, being a gentleman, of course we need to keep in mind safety first. We have loved ones, mas importante yun, may mga nagmamahal sa atin, right? So just keep that in mind, guys. Takbong pogi lang talaga tayo as much as we can. Alright, so now let's talk about the after sales or the service after the purchase, right? Toyota claims that 1 hour lang yung kanilang mga maintenance, okay, maintenance sessions. Sometimes it goes beyond, in my experience, but yeah, those are the things that, you know, you feel valued as a customer, right? And to add to that as well are the discounts, are the freebies, all those extra things that you get to enjoy as a buyer are really good. With regards to the freebies tsaka discounts, iba-iba yun per dealership, so you should consult that with your agent. But at least for us, we had the umbrella, the keychain, yung free 2 liters of gasoline, and then meron ding mga discounts with regards to the PMS. Dati for our Toyota Vios, we had really free, it could be counted as free, malaking discount for the oil and the labor. But this time for the Toyota Veloz, discounts na lang. Hindi talaga covered fully yung the whole PMS, because siguro medyo mas mahal ang oil and labor for Veloz. That is why sa Vios medyo affordable lang talaga, budget naman talaga na sasakyan si Vios. So that's just so far on our previous PMS video I shared to you. Medyo may nabayaran tayo doon, we cashed out. At least you know that you can prepare financially. And one more thing that I would like to add, guys, about the aftercare or the after sales service ng Toyota, just to share with you, in my dealership, one of the things that they offer as well for the customers are with regards to the PMS, may libre pong car wash. Okay, so may libre din car wash si Toyota. So I appreciate that so much. It's gonna be both exterior tsaka interior, they're gonna be doing the car wash. So that's something that I love. Tamang-tama po, medyo naulanan si Veloz lately. So I'm so thankful, I'm so glad actually na medyo naka-timing tayo doon. So like I said, those are things that you will really appreciate as a buyer. So right now, guys, let me speed it up a little bit. Let me drive going to the dealership. So for now, you enjoy this view. So just like that, we've safely arrived here in Toyota Cebu. Thank God. So yeah, let me just go ahead and park this car, go to the service advisor, and I'll give you an update once we're done. Okay, so just dyan lang kayo. Alright?
moments later.
Alright, so right now we're done, thankfully. Thank you, Lord. Okay naman so far si Toyota Veloz. What we're gonna be doing now is just I'm gonna quickly summarize what has been done here and what were the processes and how much yung nabayaran natin, and then our final thoughts and opinion. So tara, let's go. Ayan nga, we did some waiting, and then after quite some time the service advisor will lalapit po sa atin. Bibigyan tayo ng breakdown, and we're gonna know how much we're going to pay for that particular PMS session. So ayan nga, time check tayo ngayon. We arrived kanina around 2 o'clock, mga 2:07 siguro, and then we got entertained around mga 2:15, and right now we're currently at exactly 5 PM. So like I said kanina, ideally 1 hour, ideal yung 1 hour na tapos kaagad, but depende pa rin yun sa dami ng customers, sa dami ng mga ka-schedule natin, diba? Sa dami ng mga nagpapa-PMS din. So that is, at least you have that idea. So once it's all done, ayan nga, after you paid, you will also receive from your service advisor yung receipt tsaka yung gate pass para makalabas ka ng smooth dito sa dealership. So yung mga ginawa nila dito kay Toyota Veloz is, yan nga, lagay ko na lang screenshot dyan sa screen, no? Basic check-up, 5,000 km check-up. Things that they're gonna check here, we just use regular oil lang para sa akin, guys. I just prefer regular oil. Synthetic oil, medyo mas matagal ka need mag-PMS. If you're gonna choose a synthetic oil, medyo mas mahaba yung time mo na before ka mag-PMS. But for me, I just prefer regular oil. So here you can also see ano yung mga ginawa nila. So replaced engine oil, replaced oil filter. You also have their inspected front differential oil, inspected steering wheel and linkage, inspected the battery, and then they also inspected the tires, the inflation pressure, inspected the lights, the horn, wipers and washers natin, very good. And then lastly, they also cleaned and adjusted our brakes. So those were the things that they did today for our second PMS. And if you're gonna ask how much ba lahat ng nabayaran natin, so if ito-total natin to lahat, guys, as per the advisor, it's gonna cost around 4,000 pesos. Nakalimutan ko magkano yung around yung plus nun, 4,000 plus. But because of those discounts and yung mga perks na na-enjoy natin, yung nabayaran na lang talaga natin today, the total amount of money that we cashed out today is just 1,159 pesos and 50 centavos. So, diba, napaka thankful tayo dyan, okay? Ayan, so after 6 months, guys, we're currently at 3,322 kilometers yung ating odometer. That's the distance we've traveled so far. And then we're averaging at around 12.5, 12.6 ganyan na kilometers per liter for our mileage or fuel consumption, fuel efficiency. So far, guys, it's been really great driving this car. Ayan, I'm always in eco mode, as you know, the best that I could, especially traffic. But if gantong mga highway, then I just turn off the eco mode and just use the normal mode, use the power mode pag kailangan talaga mag-overtake. So yeah, so far that's it for Toyota Veloz after 6 months. At least now you have an estimate, or you have an idea for the car ownership, specifically with Toyota Veloz. So I guess that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope that this was helpful. And if you're curious to know more about the Toyota Veloz or any other cars, we have a lot of comparisons here. So check out this video right here or this video right here. I'm sure that this will help you. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that real men love God. And when we put Him first, when we seek Him first, all of these things will be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Ciao!